Okay, we have our head here, and we've made adjustments to the mouse. So the mouse is going to open and close okay. So that's going to be enough there. We've got it sanded down some. We'll give it another good sanding after we get to the next part. So what we're going to do is we're going to put our stick, glue our stick in. So we're going to use, it's 8 inches and it's an 1¼ inch stick. I marked where I want it, how far down I want it to go. So we'll glue this in, let it set, and then we can go back to our next step. If you have any questions or comments, please put it in my comment section and I'll get back with you. If you enjoy my videos, please like on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it.
What is your favorite flavor of cake? White? Okay, it'll be white cake with a slight hint of female urine.
Set this in here. We'll let it set up for a couple hours.
By the way, she made one for Willie, your birthday, what, a couple weeks ago? Red Velvet. She killed it. That tasted so...
So we'll let this set up for a little bit, then we'll get ready to drill our hole in here for our string and get that attached to the mouth and see how everything's working.
Well, I'm thinking on the sheet, lie down, and then you kind of tilt it up. Okay, look, to show it. A urinal cake. Yeah. The show is so classic. Urinal cake, anyone? Oh. So anyways, I don't know.
Thanks for watching.